Welcome here. I want to briefly talk about trading psychology. So, if we are talking about trading psychology, what is the distinction we are trying to make when we are talking about trading psychology? Actually, the thinking pattern that we engage in when we are when we are engaged with one endeavor is different from the thinking pattern that we use in different situations. And the way a businessman thinks is clearly different from the way an employee thinks. A businessman see a business opportunity in something that doesn't favor him or her, but an employee is just looking forward to make to earn income at the end of the month. So also in trading, there is a way if you want to become a successful trader, there is a kind of mantra you are supposed to have. There is a kind of thinking methodology you need to have, or you need to have in your arsenal when you are trading and you want to be successful. So the thinking pattern is very simple. Broken it down in after studying psychology of trading over the years. I've discovered that there are two distinctions. I mean, two things that will solve the problem of psychology, that will help you to reason appropriately as a trader and will help you to be successful in the long run. And what is that one? What are those two things? Number one is risk management. I keep telling risk management, and number two is turning your trade to numbers game. I've discussed risk management in the past. If you manage your risk very well, you won't have anything to worry about when you are trading. Nothing for you to worry about, because you will be so sure that okay, you are permitting yourself to take losses. Losses is part of the game, is part of the price that you pay in becoming successful. Because there's no way you're not going to take a loss in trading, because it's part of the system. It comes with the territory. So risk management, we've talked about risk management in the past, but what I really want to talk about today is turning your trades to numbers game. Your trading, let's put it like that. Your trading to numbers game. And what is numbers game? Is just using statistics for your statistics as your hedge in the market. So numbers game is just how many can you win. This numbers game depends on your strategy. You just pick a number. Let's assume that you pick 100 trades. How many can you win in 100? What is your strategy giving you in 100? This number is what you're going to base your risk management on. You can see that all these things are interwoven. And always remember my 4 pillars of trading that I always talk about, which is number one, strategy. Number two, risk management. And number three, psychology, which is what we are talking about today. Psychology. And number four, gathering experience. So in 100, how many can your strategy win for you? So it is based on that. Let's assume you can win 40 out of 100. 40 trades out of 100. Then if 40 trades, what is the risk reward ratio of that 40 trades? If 40 trades if you are able to trade, then you should know if you are able to win 40, and let's assume you are having one to two with your strategy. So this means you plus it, that's 3 times 40. That will give you what? That will give you 120, which is equals to 20%. 20% gain in your something. You've got to be trading is not just about going to shout and pressing buy or sell. All these things needs to be calculated. They are supposed to be calculated, and this is the thing that will help you to manage your psychology, that you won't be having fear. All the fear you are having, all the worries, anxiety that comes with trading will be eliminated perfectly. Upscale your risk management, and turning your trading to numbers game. Understand this. How many do you have to win for you to have percentage, have an interest percentage on your what? On your trading capital. If you understand this, this automatically turns to numbers game, in the sense that you are using statistics as your hedge here, because you will target what you need to win. Okay, in 100 I have got to win this, automatically it turns to numbers game. Then using statistics with the risk reward times what is it called, times the number of something that you can win, then it gives you the percentage return that you're going to have on your something. If you have this as part of your mantra, there is no way you'll be worried about your trade. There is no way you won't be able to, you will lose your appetite just because you are trading. You'll be getting aggressive with relating with people, you won't be able to do anything. All those things will be far away from you just by putting this thing, inculcating it in your trading system. Automatically you will be free from all those unnecessary emotions, thereby making your psychology to be balanced. So implement this and see the difference in your trading. Thank you.